Thank you. Your full weather is brought to you by Varney Ford, the nice car and truck people. And again, we have a hurricane in the Atlantic right now, moving north at about 15 miles per hour. We are not, though, going to see scenes like this. The storm is decreasing in intensity and coverage, but still, it's going to get windy around here. And also, we're going to have some high surf and heavy rain as well. Here are the advisories. Again, the hurricane watches have been canceled. This is a tropical storm warning, basically from coastal waters from Eastport, Maine, down to Stonington, Maine, and out about 25 miles in there as well. So overall, the effects are increasing out there tonight. We could see tropical storm force wind gusts this evening of around 30 to 40 miles per hour, and then throughout the day tomorrow as well, as this system passes to our east. Now here we go, the headline-wise. So rain and wind start tonight. Significant coastal impacts from this. We're talking waves that could reach 20 to 25 feet high along the coastal areas tomorrow, down east areas as well. And then really the rain, wind, and waves tomorrow. The whole thing gets out of here tomorrow night, and then Sunday, sunshine is back in the forecast for Sunday. Here's the picture now. So again, this doesn't look like much, but there's a hurricane in here, moving north about 15 miles per hour. It's decreasing in intensity as it does, but still, it's got some oomph behind it and will definitely impact our lives across the area tomorrow. Lots of cold cloud tops in there this evening. It's going to travel north tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. At some point, it's going to become a tropical storm, likely about overnight tonight. And then here we go. The storm track is still shifting more toward the east. Not a lot, just a little, but that will take the worst effects from this, of course, further to the east with it. It's not going to decrease everything. We're still going to have wave heights approaching 20 feet. We're still going to have some heavy rainfall and those tropical storm force wind gusts tomorrow as well throughout the day, which could give us some power problems too. So here's the graphic of the computer models thinking, hey, where's this thing going? And remember, for a couple days this week, a couple of these were coming onshore right around the Bangor area, but that's not happening. It's now shifted toward the east. It continues to shift more toward the east, and that will take the worst effects out with it to the east of us, right? But the wind field of this thing, it's big. This is a huge storm. It's got a lot of oomph with it, a lot of moisture, and a lot of wind energy. That wind energy will come down, though, a bit tonight. This is the chance, the graphic showing you where the chance for best tropical storm force wind gusts could be. And notice how that is kind of more shifting a bit offshore here now as it continues to trend toward the east a bit. But overall, we're going to feel the effects from this tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. So hunker down this evening and throughout the day tomorrow as the storm is on the way. So the marine forecast by far will be the worst of this, right along the coastal down east areas. We're going to get that onshore wind for a while, and then out of the north, we could see general wave heights around 10 to 15 feet, with some wave heights approaching 20 feet. And high tide is important, of course, because with that piling on of water across the coastal areas, high tides at 12:28 tomorrow morning, and then again at 12:47 in the afternoon. All right, so the rainfall with the storm is also shifting more toward the east. So here we go. You know, Machias, you're still in this. The rest of us, though, could get through this with maybe just an inch or two of rainfall into tomorrow evening. But generally, temperatures, though, today hanging out in the 60s. Tomorrow, same story with that tropical moisture around. But then next week, we do have warmer temperatures on the way. So the clouds are increasing out there now. The rain and wind are not too far behind, and we are in for a long night tonight and a long day tomorrow with that rain, wind, and waves. We're going to break in the action, though, for Sunday, followed by a warm front getting in here, followed by a cold front on Tuesday into Wednesday. That will likely bring us some more showers then. Let's walk it through. So here we are tonight. There's the center of the tropical system right there, moving well to our east tomorrow, taking the rain and wind with it as it does so. Sunshine breaks out on Sunday. It's going to give us a very nice day on Sunday. Our forecast, though, tonight, though, is rain and wind late. Low temperatures down near 56, and a northeast wind that could gust near 40 overnight. For tomorrow, tropical storm conditions across pretty much the entire area. The most effects, of course, coastal areas, down east areas tomorrow, with high temperatures up near 62. And then looking ahead, your 5-day forecast shows that rain is likely tomorrow with that wind. Sunday, we're quiet, partly cloudy 75. And look at temperatures hanging out in the 70s through much of next week. Beth and Peter?